Hello you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I just took my hair out. So I asked my homegirl to take my passion twist out. And I did see that she was going a little fast. So I'm taking out my braids. Rest in peace to this piece of hair. It's in here somewhere, chat. Right here. See that? See that? Yep. So you know it was folded. I think when she was cutting the little piece off, she cut damn hair off. So, yeah. I don't even know what time. I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I think it's like 1 o'clock, girl. I don't care. I don't care. I'm about to start wearing my parts like over here. Because her done cut me, y'all. She done cut me. All right, so this is the next day. I just want to do a voiceover because, I don't know, I just want to talk to you guys. So I'm just playing with Sky right now, but I've been feeling so unmotivated and not focused. Just really not focused. Like, I am kind of motivated, though. Like, I do have ideas, I'm ready, but I'm just not focused to execute everything I want to execute. So that's kind of where I've been. So this video here was just me telling myself, if you turn on the camera, you're going to do what you say you're going to do. And I really kind of did this day. This was a really good day. As you can see, I got out of bed. I opened the blinds. Honestly, I'm not in my room long. I went to the bathroom and I did my skincare routine. That has been something that I've been slacking on. It's just making sure I'm doing my skincare routine twice a day, not just one time a day, twice a day. So yeah, here I am just getting my skin prepped, going in with a nice cleanser, all that good stuff. But you know, I realized life is just, it's going to be like that. You're going to have your up days, you're going to have your up months, you're going to have your up years, okay? And then sometimes you're going to feel down, and you just got to have more discipline with yourself to say, you know what, I'm still gonna get up. Because working out also has been a an up and down kind of thing. Y'all know when I'm into working out and I do it like 3 weeks, then I can really do it for like 3 months. But once you fall off of working out, y'all, it's like hard to get back. Especially when you feel like good about your body, it's even harder to do it, y'all. I promise you. I don't see how people like look good and keep working out. I can't even cap. Like once I start feeling good and looking good, everything. I mean, it's hard to work out for me because I'm like, I love my body how it is. But it's also like, but it could be better. But anyway, making up, having those habits of like, doing your skincare, working out, or like even making up your bed, then working out, opening my blinds, like all of these things really help for a healthier mind. And I've just been trying to focus on that more, like having habits, drinking water, as you guys can see. But once you get in the rhythm of doing this, you feel good. Like it gives you that dopamine of like, I feel good. But why can't we just continue to do it? It's crazy. Cooking breakfast every morning, like even cooking breakfast makes me feel so good. I don't know. But I've been loving this breakfast, by the way. Some eggs with my onions, my bell peppers, and some jalapeno peppers, hash browns, any type of hash browns, honestly. I like the chopped ones. I like these. And some sausage, burnt kind of. Oh my God, it's so good. Like I can literally eat this every morning, and I have been. But just staying in this rhythm of doing these things daily and having these great habits really do increase like my dopamine levels and how happy I am and how I treat people throughout the day and how I treat myself and the time that I have to spend with my dog. Like it all just like helps out in the long run, but you have to stay consistent and be so disciplined to continue to do this because I'm not going to even lie, like this is not attainable all the time. Like your mind just wanders, and I know meditation also helps with that, just like not have that roaming mindset of, looking in the past or anything like that. But anyway, this is my breakfast. I'm just rambling right now. I just kind of wanted to say that while I showed you guys like my morning routine. And here I am just making Sky food because I like to make her, kind of the same food I eat sometimes. Look at her. She's so hungry. So hungry still. But
Honestly, this is about the end of my voiceover. I'm gonna get back to the vlog, but this breakfast was so bomb. But if you take anything away from this, just be gentle with yourself and a little bit more discipline, and you'll be good. I love this bubble cup. It's so nice. All right, so it is 11:54. I mean, damn, it's 11:44. I've done my workouts, I've eaten, and I've checked my emails too on my phone, so I don't really have any new emails. I do need to send off some stuff, but nothing too serious. I'm going to lunch with my friend around 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna take y'all with me there. Also, I'm talking to my accountant next week. I set that up. What else? I'm just trying to make sure like I'm on track and doing things that I'm supposed to do. I need to go ahead and edit this TikTok of me trying that wig out for the first time. So I'm gonna do that. I'm thinking about braiding my hair back, doing some straight backs, and putting this wig on again. But I feel like I cut the lace too much. Like, I knew I wasn't supposed to cut the lace much, but I did it anyway. Like, I don't know why I did that. Like, I don't have much lace left besides, like, you know, the wig. So, I shouldn't have done that. That's where I messed up at. I done put this wig on. I don't think I'm gonna do, like, too much. Because it's okay. It's not that bad. Even though I cut the lace too much. But I need to straighten it or do some curls. Let me just do some curls. But first, we gotta get this laying flat. So I got my hot comb. It's so fun. I'm gonna just put this around my scalp just to act like I'm molding something, because I'm really not. I'm really not. All right, I'm gonna use this little wax stick. It came in one of the sets. Like, it came with this hot comb and wig caps, combs, other stuff. It came like a whole pack. So I'm gonna just take it right here on this part area. I need a mirror over here for real. You can just take it like that right there front. Ooh, it's hot, baby. Yeah. This is a peach mule. It's so good. So good.
When I first met you, I was new. Now I learned everything about
Hey, I'm headed home, y'all, but I seen this little market on the side of the road, so we're about to check it out. Look at here, y'all. It's like a little market. How fun. Ooh, look at the hot sauces. Are those pickles? I love pickles.
So yeah, we've got 3 for you to sample if you'd like to try. On the pickle side.
Power sour?
You could try spicy chip, spicy spear flavor. You could try heat and sweet. And you could try the power sour, which is, this is my last 3 on the power sour. How you guys doing? Good to see you.
Yes.
So would you like to try any one of those 3 samples? The heat and sweet, that's one of our most popular. Heat and sweet coming right up.
I love a sour pickle.
Please take you. Would you like a sample also?
Yes, the
Get on up
power
here,
sour,
Get
please.
We don't do lines, we do pickle parties. It's the heat and sweet. It's a jalapeno forward pickle with a little bit of sugar, and it doesn't want to come out. You see? There you go.
Thank you.
Nervous. That was a nervous pickle. There you go. And the power sour was next. I think I heard somebody say, hook me up with the power sour.
I need it.
All right, we got it. So that's going to be the next one. Power sour is going to be more sour, and the thing that makes it more sour is that we use more vinegar. Okay, so give this a try. Power sour. If you want it, just come forward. And don't worry, when we start ordering, you guys are first. I remember. Don't worry. I remember. And then here you go for the power sour. And do we need 2? Are you okay? You're okay for now?
I'm good, yeah.
Still thinking about it.
I'm still thinking.
Let it soak in.
Right, thank you. So it is a little later. I came home. I got done with my work. I sent off all my footage and stuff that I needed to send off. And I just ate some tacos, some leftover tacos, and the leftover like shrimp. I had some shrimp egg rolls today. And really, I just watched this We Have a Ghost show on Netflix. Kind of cool. But now I'm trying to think, like, do I want to go ahead and put some braids in my hair? Because I kind of want to throw my wig on again. But I want it to be a nice flat base. I just want to try again. Like, I have nothing else to do with my hair right now. Or I could throw some rollers in it and just have big hair right now. I don't know. Okay, I'm in my room on the bed. And I'm gonna braid my hair in here. I just put everything on the bed. Here. There's Sky. And then here's like some scrunchies, brush and a comb, and some clips. So, yeah. Just watching this ghost movie. And I'm about to do my hair. I should have wiped this mirror. Well. So, just doing some straight backs so I don't have to really look. I'm gonna just look at me parting and then I could look at the show. I suck at doing straight backs parting. Let me go ahead and tell y'all that now. So if they look raggedy, never mind your business. Why you so like, why you wanna be perfect? So it's the next day. I went to sleep braiding my hair and I just woke up, finished braiding, and decided to go ahead and put the wig cap on without recording because I was like, I need to focus. And I really do like it. So I smoothed my edges back first with the Got To Be Glued spray. And then I sprayed another layer of the Got To Be, and then I put my cap on. And then I put the band on to just mold that cap before I cut it. And then I sprayed another layer of the Got To Be Glued spray. And then I put the wig on and just put the band on it and took it off. Well, I curled the hair and then I took it off. And that's how we got these luscious curls. And I just got a pack of nails in the mail, so I need to take this off. Look at my nails, they're looking not that great. Look at my freaking cuticle. I don't know what happened here. Look at the skin. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I need to file my nails down and stuff. Get them all shaped right because they kept cracking. I'm like, we need nails. We need nails. What is up, you guys? We are doing some spring cleaning. Well, I've already cleaned my entire house, y'all, but I haven't cleaned like outside, like my deck and my hot tub area. And it's long overdue because I'm in Atlanta and so there's pollen every freaking where. So today's the day I'm gonna clean it off and then I'm gonna clean off the area with my hot tub. And I'm excited. Okay, y'all, it looks a mess. I got these dead plants, pollen everywhere. Like, these are actually a little bit brighter than this. They ain't white, but it ain't this color either. As you can see, the floors are covered. This thing is covered. This is a crazy area for this egg chair because what am I looking at? Absolutely nothing. We're gonna move some stuff around, clean this off, and all that good stuff. So I'll show y'all what we working with. It's my pressure washer for those of y'all who don't know. All right, so I'm geared up. I'm geared up to do the pressure washing. I have some Fabuloso here. I'm gonna spray it because I want everything to smell like Fabuloso for no reason. But the pressure washer is ready. So let me spray. All right, y'all, it's the next day. I really was tired yesterday, and I was like, whatever. It didn't take long to do this, but I was ready to eat or whatever. But yeah, so it's all cleaned. I basically put everything how it kind of was, honestly. I didn't move too much. I'm not gonna put those curtains back up, and I'm taking that green wall down. I don't know what else I want to do out here. I'm pretty much probably gonna keep it. Hey Toots. I'm gonna keep it how it is, but it's nice and clean, and it rained. It's like horrible weather right now, so yeah. Good morning. It's like 9:30 in the morning right now. So now my entire house is clean, top to bottom, even the deck, as you guys saw. So now I really don't have a reason to not work out, and your girl has been gaining some weight. Yeah. Babe, we've been, okay, yes, my cycle is on. But like, I know it's a little bit of bloating, but I've been really gaining a little bit. So I'm telling myself, girl, get back in here, get back to working out. Booty getting bigger. It's tucked and loaded right now, but booty is getting bigger. Trying my best, y'all. I'm trying my best. It's so hard for me to stay on it, but now my mom, she been calling me like, I'm about to work out, you working out? And then my best friend, he's like, you been working out? I'm working out. And I'm like, I ain't working out. I'm trying to clean up this house. This house is clean because I realized something about myself. I could not be in a dirty house. Not just a dirty house, but like an unorganized house. Some people, if it's out of sight, out of mind, right? If it's out of sight, it's not out of my mind. I'm going to remember that those cabinets underneath my sink look a mess. Yeah. And that's going to affect my day. Like, so I had to reorganize everything, which I did. I didn't like vlog it. I called myself filming it for TikTok and stuff, but I really should have just vlogged it. Don't know why I didn't vlog it, because the organization is top tier. Oh, and also, the elephant in the room, we are rocking a wig, girl. A wig. I have been practicing my wig techniques, and I will have to say I'm pretty good at it. You know, I'm getting better. I'm not like Beyonce. I could do Beyonce lace. No, absolutely not. But we're getting there. I found this wig. I don't know what this wig is from. I found it in my little drawer. So I may have a video on YouTube about it. I need to go back and see if I've filmed about it to figure out where this wig is from. Because 9 times out of 10, if I have it, I know I didn't buy it. So that means somebody sent it to me. And if somebody sent it to me, that means I made a video. So hopefully there's a video. I'm going to try to see. But I feel like it was longer and we just cut her. That's what I feel like, because it's so thick. I'm like, I don't think brands really making it like this. So I feel like this was cut to shape my face or something. I don't know. It looks really good. I mean, it looks really good. I woke up like this. I've been like killing the wigs, okay? And I'm also thinking about cutting my hair, but that's for another day. That's for another day. We've talked about it on we've talked about it on Instagram, but we haven't talked about it on YouTube. But that's for another day. But yeah, let me get on this workout, and I possibly wash these dishes. I'm either gonna wash them or wait until this loading cycle finish in the dishwasher and put them in the dishwasher. I'm just being honest. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take my pre-workout and I'm gonna try to get myself together, play some music, and start working out. So see y'all a little bit later.